Take 4 days and make 100K.
Don't you wish it came more? Girl, what you playing for? Come on, let me
Those 5
kiss
views are
that.
5 people. I don't know if you
Ooh,
get.
I know you miss that. What's wrong? Let me fix that. Twist that. Baby, tonight's the night I let you
Start doing
know.
something. Post your content. Post your content. Post your content. Hola, ¿cómo está? Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Yaoundé, where I basically lay my head. Before we get into the video, I want to take 5 seconds to thank everyone who takes out their time to share the video. I love you so much. God bless you. Now, this video is divided into 2 parts. First part being a vlog of about 3 days in a week, and second part being a chit chat on how to make money on TikTok without being verified and without having an international account. If you're interested, like, comment, subscribe, and share the video to every business person. Also, a little secret: the 4th point under the chit chat is the most important. All that being said and done, now let's get into the video. Hey guys, so on my way to go and get my wig installed, I gave her to like treat it, like revamp. Is that the name? So I'm going there for her to put the wig on my hair. Today is Thursday. I don't even know, this weekly vlog, it's not weekly vlogging. Maybe we'll just have a sit down video this week and then next week we'll have a vlog. So I'm going there for her to install the wig. Today is Thursday. It's going to last for like maybe till Sunday and then take it out the fine way again for next week. Anyway, see you guys there. I'm ready. Come on, go again now. Huh? I don't have a forehead. So y'all see my hair. She ate, and that's on period. Hey guys, so I'm back home and this is the face. This is what we're working with basically. If you're wondering, I'm looking at my mirror. This is how my face is looking. I just told her to tie it in like a ponytail. I'm like 100% certain this is how I'll take my hair to work tomorrow. But yeah, I just got back. This is my bag. My bag is still here. I've not even taken out my clothes yet, but we'll do that later. I'll tie my hair, shower, brush my teeth, change, and rest. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. See how tomorrow goes. Ciao.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, revealing of the pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do.
My eyes are literally like, oh my god, I like that song. My eyes are really sore. God. Morning. Hey guys, good morning. I just finished my Bible study. It's currently 6 a.m. I've been up since like what, 3 a.m. Bible study 5, and now it's 6. 1 hour period. So today is Saturday. We're gonna see how today's going to go. My eyes are actually sore from like crying. Studying the word of God is like magical mystery, yeah. But yeah, we'll see how today's going to go. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. See you in a bit. In case you're wondering what I've been up to, that looks too nice. Looks too nice. Can't wait. I swear. I just can't wait. Can't wait. I'm already tired. Tired of that broken screen. And like, I'm pretty much prepared. Kate, what? Accessories. It hits so hard when you know it's coming down. Oh, straight in my face. Get back. And I went to get ready for the day. Then I went. I brought my head on. I'm currently in the bathroom. I don't know what I want to do before the end of this vlog, but the vlog is going to happen, Sha. It's Saturday. I don't really have a vlog last week. I was thinking for those that it was messed up. I get really busy, guys. But this is the vlog this week. Yeah? Okay. Can you score eat? Because I'm really hungry. I've been up since 3 a.m. guys. I've been up since 3 a.m. I just couldn't sleep. I just couldn't sleep. I've been up since 3 a.m. Then I had to pray. Then we're starting the day. Grab your notebook and pen and let's get into how to make that money on TikTok. What's up, guys? I hope you can see me clearly, Sha. Anyways, it's been a while since I did like a sit down video, and I just felt like I might as well do a sit down video. I mean, it's been a while. So. You saw from the title today. I don't know. I'm saying today because it's been like 2 days after filming the other clips, which you're going to see after this one, because I'm going to put this one before the vlog. I don't know how I'm going to do it, if this is after or before, I don't know. So I want to tell you guys how TikTok is back. Yeah, we're all excited that TikTok is back. I don't even know, like it could not even concern me because I guess it was like getting banned for Americans. I could still be on TikTok, but I'm happy that everybody is experiencing the good life of being on TikTok. It's a lifesaver sometimes. It saved me sometimes. It's been there for me when I was broke, when I was at my hardest. Yeah. Today I'm going to be telling you guys how I make money on TikTok without being verified and also without having an international account. I still make money off of TikTok, and you can as well. No big deal. No stress, no nothing. First thing is consistency. I'm bringing it to your face straight up. You need to be consistent if you want to make money on TikTok. You can't just come today, vanish, come tomorrow, disappear, come tomorrow, blue tick. Have you got nuts? I just posted a video on TikTok and I was doing like a UK accent, and everyone was like, "Oh, where did you learn it from?" So you need to be consistent on TikTok if you want to make money on TikTok. You need to put out the content and people need to see your content is interesting, your content is talking about and you're going to make money off of it eventually. We're getting there. Second thing, if you want to make money on TikTok, you need to learn basic editing skills. I teach video editing, basic video editing, graphic editing. If you want to learn your basic cut, split, add sound, all those. So if you're interested, send me a DM on TikTok or leave a comment down in the comment section and I'm going to reach you. So you need to learn basic editing skills. It's very, very important. I don't know how you're on TikTok if you can't do some basic cuts and splits, because even TikTok itself has provided a means of editing on the app itself, filming and editing on the app. So you really need to know. You really need to know. When you learn a basic editing skill, it's going to help you film content. It's going to help you put out interesting content that people is going to be happy to actually watch it. So learn a basic editing skill. Just learn. I can teach you. I'm very, very affordable. Ask about me. The third way, if you want to make money on TikTok, is you need to post relatable content. Post content like me. Everyone calls me Cameron Cider, but not like I behave like her. I just talk like her. I make my videos the way she makes her videos. I cut my videos. You know how when she talks and she cuts and she talks and she cuts and she talks and she cuts. That's how I film my videos. My name is Nice Barbs on TikTok. It's gonna be on the screen. It's also gonna be in the description. Cider Budge, I don't know. She's extreme. She's extra. I'm subtle. Okay. This is not a comparison, whatever. But I film my videos like Cider Budge. If you don't know her, maybe you should check her out. I film my videos like her. This is not a shout out or paid sponsorship or whatever. Just check out. We're just talking here. You need to put relatable content. Something is trending, I talk about it. Something's wrong, I talk about it. Something's nice, I talk about it. And my content happens to be very fast. Like I don't give you any breathing space. Like if you see my content, all you want to do is watch from beginning right to the end. So posting relatable content is very, very, very important. If people know that this thing is trending and then they see you talking about it, imagine how interested, how what's the word, engagement. Imagine the amount of engagement you're going to have on your page if something is trending and then you're also talking about it, you're explaining, you're elaborating, you're bringing your own point, it's going to give you engagement. And while you're doing that, if you just talk a little bit about your business, talk a little bit, maybe you have a small business you're doing, talk a little bit about like an aside, it's going to bring you money at the end of the day, don't you think so? Because I think so, because I've made money by doing so. Fourth point is to bring out your expertise. Is it expertise or expertise? You know what I'm talking about. Bring out expertise, okay? Bring out what you know how to do best. Let's say you post videos on your TikTok twice a day, or let's say 3 times a week. We'll go with 3 times a week. Yeah, let's say you post videos on your TikTok page 3 times a week. Out of those 3 times a week, you choose one video from the 3 videos you're going to be posting every week and talk about your business, talk about what you do. Tell people they can reach out to you if they are having difficulty in promoting their business. Tell people you sell these days if they are interested. Maybe you sell thrift wares. Tell people you sell thrift wares so they can have maybe an idea. Bringing out expertise is you actually bringing out what you know how to do best. Bring it to the table, table it, platter it, put it in a dish, serve. That is what we mean by bringing out expertise. Tell the people what you're good at, tell them what you do, tell them about your small business. You might take 30 seconds in a 2-minute video you're doing. Maybe it's a vlog, I don't know, whatever you post on TikTok, take up 30 seconds, 10 seconds, talk about your brand, talk about your business. I, for example, I always tell people I edit videos. I could help you edit, I could be your personal editor. I am a personal editor if you don't know. This is me again telling you guys what I do. I edit people's videos at our office where I work. There's a lady there, she's a YouTuber. I edit her YouTube vlogs. Do you know how much I get paid per single video? 5k. I'm not even playing. 5k. We have a contract. 20k for 4 videos. One video is 5k. So she posts one video every week, every Friday, and I make sure I'm done with those videos by Friday and she posts them. I get 20k every week, and that's just one way I get money. Second way I get money is I teach you video editing. I teach you video editing. Do you know how much they pay one person? 10k. Imagine I organize a video editing class. I always do. The next one is coming up this February, the second week of February. So if you're interested, leave a comment in the comment section and I will reach you. Okay, and be sure to always come back and check. Maybe I reached you, or you send me a DM on TikTok. I tell people I teach editing. 10k per person. Imagine 10 people paying 10k. That's 100k, and I teach one person for 4 days. It could be a class. All of the 10 people could be in a class, and I take 4 days and make 100k. You people are not understanding. You're not getting it. The third way I earn money is I have a small business. I sell fruit parfait, and I make sure in a week I'm selling over 3 times in a week. Let's say 3 days in a week out of 7 days. One cup is 1,000 francs. I have another cup for 1,500, and I have another one 2k, 3,000. Most of the ones I sell are 1,000 and 1,500. I sell the one for 3,000 sometimes. Let's say in that 3 days I get 6 customers, or at least 6 customers or more. I could be making about 15k in 3 days. You people don't even understand the power of social media. You people are burying the power of social media. I don't know how to explain this, but if you have a TikTok account or any media account, start doing something. Post your content. Post your content. Post your content. I don't know if I rambushaka this thing. I don't know if I mixed everything up, but you get the point. Post your content. Talk about your content. Let people know. Let people know. Let people know. Because what they know is going to be in their head. They are going to keep in their head. They'll just remember. Like today, I just remembered, oh my God, I ordered something yesterday. It's not here. They will remember. Bonus points, post your content. Like I just said, post your content. There are people like you. Cyberbosh never knew there was someone like me. I never even knew at the time I started posting content. I had no idea there was someone like Cyberbosh. There are people like you. People are going to be interested in the way you talk. People are going to be interested. I don't know if you get. My book is as cute as my pants, and it's also as cute as my phone case. I'm serving pink today. Post your content. Don't let anybody bother you. Post your content. You might post it today and get 5 views. Those 5 views are 5 people. I don't know if you get. Those 5 views are 5 people. I have people I've taught them content creation. I've taught them editing, and they are doing their videos are getting 500 to 1,000. The other girl's video got 15k views. A mini vlog she posted, not even up to a minute. 15k views. If you're posting your content, don't let anybody tell you what are you doing. Start from somewhere. You get somewhere. I also started from somewhere. I've been talking too much. That's it. Let's get into the vlog. Maybe the vlog came before this part, but if you watched up to this moment, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Stay tuned. Like, comment, share. When I say share the video, I mean you should actually share the video. I just shared something very important to you, but I would really appreciate if you could reciprocate and also share my videos to somebody. Might help that your friend who is really looking for a way to make money on TikTok and they just can't, and they're just like, how do these people do it? This is how to do it. So share it to people. Share it to a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. I love you so, so much. And I'll see you in my next video or vlog or sit down video. What do you want? Tell me what type of video you want me to do next. Even though I know next I might be doing like a maintenance or an unboxing because I got some things off Shein and I'm going to be doing an unboxing. But yeah, see you in the next video.